Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. It's your young boy here, Mr. Mbacha. And guys, today I am here. As you can see to my background here, see? Wow, amazing. So, welcome back to our village at Nyabohanze. Welcome back again. It's your boy here, Mr. Mbacha. Guys, subscribe, share, like, and comment. So, today I'm trying to eat sugarcane here. This is how to eat sugarcane in Africa. You eat like this. You eat like this. You see? Very big, very big. And I will finish this. So guys, remember yesterday I go and visit one of the best YouTuber in Nyabohanze, and she's a girl, Dorina. I hope Dorina, yes, Dorina underscore Elisha. Please guys, support Dorina underscore Elisha. She's a nice girl. Even, can you imagine guys, is the only guy in Nyabohanze that I introduce from a channel on YouTube. Go and check Elisha. You'll see me there. Go and check Elisha. Dorina underscore Elisha. Yeah. So guys, this is Africa, as you can see. Everything is looking green everywhere. Wow, very beautiful in Africa. Please come and stay Africa. Don't stay Europe. All year you are in Europe. You can visit Kenya. You can visit. Let's say like you can visit Africa, all Africa. It's very beautiful, especially in Kenya, East Africa. It's East Africa. It's very, very unique, very beautiful, and wow. Wow. So please leave your sweet comment section down there, guys, and I will be happy more happy about this. Leave your sweet comment section. As you can see, I am eating a whole sugar cane here, big sugar cane for sure. Wow. thumbnail for my video. So you do like this, then we have sugar cane right here, then but this sugar cane may be for white woman. Let's say like white human being. It's very hard to eat, especially people in Africa like me. It's very easy to eat because from a small, let's say from your growing up to now, like me, from you are a baby, like from you are a baby up to now, we used to eat something like this. But white human being like Muzungu, they don't eat something like this. It's very hard. Even me, totally, it's very hard, but I'm trying my best. Huh? You sure? I'm trying. Wow. I am very close to our road here, Tarmac Road. I'm very close. I'm very close to our Tarmac Road here in Nyaboanze. Wow. Very good road. It's not busy like Nairobi, like other city. It's not busy. In our road here, you can find maybe one car, then you can stay like 30 minutes, then you see another car. But not in like 30 minutes. It's like 15 minutes, not 30. 30 is enough. 15 minutes, then you see another one. Very sweet. Very sweet. Very sweet. So even in Africa, you can find maybe like me, I am 20, let's say like I am 23, because today I'm turned 23 years old. So you can find maybe someone like 80, let's say like 70 years. They don't eat sugar cane because it's very hard. It's very hard to eat. Very hard. But in 23 years old, it's not hard. It's very easy to eat. Because you have like very easier teeth. Easier. Boys in Africa. No, in the village, if you understand village very well, you will enjoy, my friend. You will never spend a lot of money. You will never wear some good clothes, like expensive clothes. No, it's not hard to wear expensive clothes. It's very easy to wear. But when you live in the city, every single day you see maybe your neighbor have a nice clothes. So even you told yourself like, I wanna be like that guy. I wanna wear some expensive clothes. But in the village, even you can wear maybe your clothes, and you can walk away. There is no one who can tell you, my friend, what are you doing? But in the city, you will look good. You will spend a lot of money. You will go in the good hotels. You will enjoy. But even in the village, you can enjoy. It's very easy to enjoy, but be careful and I hope you are understanding me when I do this. Use your brain. Use your brain. Even me, very soon, I'm going to travel. I'm going to Nairobi city. So keep it tuned. I hope when I go there, you will enjoy video. So guys, yeah. You will enjoy video. I hope so. I'm telling you. This is only in the village. Only in the village. From my bag. So before I end this video, I'm gonna ask your support, guys. Big support for watching my video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So trip to 10k subscriber, guys. See me there. It's 10k subscribers. And leave your sweet comment section. Don't watch my video, don't enjoy, and you don't put your sweet comment section down there. So put your sweet comment section down there so that when I read, I will enjoy when I see comment sections on my video. Put your sweet comment section, guys. No, life in the village, it's not easy. We are trying our best, guys, so that one day God will do something. I have forget something. Please, if you want to join community, please join community. I want to do something, join community first, so that when I do something, you will be there. Hmm? Join community. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying. uh, I am in Nyaboanze village, as you can see right now. Wow, very beautiful. See our village here. It's very beautiful. Please enjoy our video. Give the video a like. Watch from the start up to the end. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put your sweet comment section down there. That is Mayugno himself. Yes. So put your sweet comment section down there so that I will enjoy to see your sweet comment section. Okay. Life in the village.